hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another favourites video. I cannot believe that July has come and gone. I'm not going to say about it too much, but this year has just flown by. So we're back with another favourites video, and I've got a wide range of skincare bits, Lush bits, fragrances, reading bits. I've got a bit of everything, not overly loads, but a little bit of everything. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know down below things that you've been loving this month. I would absolutely love to know, and let's dive into our July favourites. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is a skincare item I've been loving this month, and this is from the brand Flower, which I do believe is owned by Drew Barrymore. Could be wrong, she could be like a co-founder or something, I'm not really sure, but I know that she is kind of the face of this brand. She could just be the face of the brand, not sure. But this is the Supernova Celestial Skin Elixir. Firstly, it's beautiful, which is the reason I have been eyeing this up for months. I actually bought this a couple of weeks ago and I'm absolutely obsessed with the way this makes my skin look. It makes it glowy, healthy, just radiant and beautiful, and I absolutely love it. I have it under my foundation today and it's holding it up really well. I am melting. It is about 30 degrees, so I'm very hot, and we have no air conditioning, so I'm dying a little bit, but this is holding up really well. I really love it, and I just love the packaging. It's glass, so it just feels luxurious. It's got a pipette inside. I just love it. So absolutely 100% recommend it. Full price, I believe it is about 16 to 17 pounds. However, I did buy it when it was half price, so I probably would wait until it's half price because it is quite expensive, but it's beautiful. Moving on to my hair care favourite, the hair oil that I've been using recently is the Schwarzkopf Gliss Hair Repair Oil Elixir. I have been really enjoying this. As you can see, I've used about nearly 2/3 of it. I'm really enjoying it, and I don't know if you guys can tell, I have had my hair lightened again, so I am really trying to keep it healthy and kind of look after it because I am trying to grow it at the same time, which is near enough impossible when you're trying to go lighter at the same time. But I am covering it in oil and I absolutely love this. The only thing about this I would say that I would prefer is if it smelt like coconut, because I used to have the Lee Stafford coconut one and I really loved that. I finished it recently, and it smelled like coconut and it was amazing, but this doesn't smell like coconut. This just kind of smells like hair product, do you know what I mean? Like fresh hair product, but I prefer the coconut one. But other than that, this is amazing. It's super thick, super rich, really hydrating. Obsessed, love it. Next, moving on to my fragrance favourites of the month, I actually have two to share with you. The first one is the higher end one. So this is the Marc Jacobs perfume. I can't remember what this is called. I know that I got this for Christmas on my birthday this year, and I absolutely love this so much. I have mentioned in a few videos I am slowly trying to get through my perfumes, and I did finish up a few last month and the month before, so this is the next one. And this just smells fresh, clean, like it's just so good. I can't even describe it to you. I really love Marc Jacobs perfumes. Every single one I really love. This one has a very like floral, sweet, fresh scent. Definitely more sweet than the others I've had, but this is really good. I really love this one, and the bottle and the packaging is just so pretty. Absolutely obsessed. And my second fragrance favourite of the month is definitely more affordable. This was only £3.50. It was half price in the sale, so originally it was only, what, £7? Still a bargain. This is the Delicious Destinations Eau de Toilette in Drive-In. Now obviously this is very inexpensive. It doesn't smell expensive. It just smells fresh. Like it has a fresh smell to it. It's really lovely though. Really fresh, really clean, smells beautiful, and something like this I feel like you could easily chuck in your handbag, and if you finish it in a few weeks it's not a big deal. It's super affordable and I love it. I got this from Superdrug, by the way. I'm not sure if I mentioned that, but yeah, Superdrug has it. It's so good, and the packaging is stunning, and they did have 3 other flavours. One was coconut and something, and that's the one my mum got, and then they had a pineapple one, which is the one that Emma got, and then they had one which was like cactus and something, and like I just didn't want that one, so I got this one, and this is sea grape and hibiscus, and it's so good and so affordable. Honestly amazing. Next, moving on to a lip product. Now I always get asked in my videos, what lipstick do you have on? What lip combo have you got on today? And I always forget to tell you guys. So I literally just have on a lip liner, which is the Essence lip liner, the one that I always mention. And then I've topped it off with the Barry M Coco Loco lip oil. Now mine is looking trash. It looks gross because I've used literally near enough the whole thing. I don't know if you guys can see, but I love this product so much. It tastes like holiday. It just feels glossy without being sticky, and I absolutely love it. Personally, I absolutely hate sticky lip gloss, so something like this instead of a lip gloss is an absolute win for me. Sits really nice on the lips, just stays really glossy and hydrated, and it doesn't go all like crusty and gross. It's just so good, and I know that they do this in a red colour, which I really want to try. But yeah, this is just amazing, and I know that you can get the ones from, is it Clinique, that do the lip oils. If you don't want to spend a fortune, this is a really good alternative, and I think it's only £4. Bargain. Great for this time of year as well if you just want to put a little bit of gloss on. Amazing. Next up is my monthly book favourite. Now, as you guys know, I am currently reading the After series. I finished the first book. It was unbelievable. Would highly recommend it. And now I'm on to the second one. I am... how far am I in? 178 pages in out of about 600 pages. So I've made a good dent in it, I would say. And obviously, if you've seen the films, you kind of know what happens in the films, and you're gonna know sort of what happens in the book. But there is so much more that happens in the book that doesn't happen in the film, so you find yourself not getting bored or getting annoyed that you kind of know the storyline, if that makes sense. But this is absolutely unbelievable. It's one of the best books I've read in a really long time. I'm so excited to finish the series, but I'm also really dreading when I finish the series because I'll have to find something else to read. But this is just really good, and again, I'm not going to go into too much detail about what happens in the book or the film. I don't want to give it away, but if you want something good to read, this is amazing. Would highly recommend it. So good. And lastly, moving on to my Lush favourites. Like I said, this monthly favourites isn't going to be overly long. I don't have too much to share with you this month. I've been busy with work. It's been far too hot to even wear makeup or anything like that, so I haven't really dove into more things, if that makes sense. But I have really enjoyed 2 Lush products this month. The first one is the Love and Light hand cream. I don't remember when I last mentioned this. Was it in my last favourites or the favourites before? I can't remember. But this product has been just my absolute saviour. My hands, for some reason, have been incredibly dry, and I have been using this non-stop, and it's so good. Firstly, the smell. It's neroli. It's very uplifting, it's just a happy smell. I absolutely love it, but also it's just not heavy, not sticky. It's just such a comfortable texture on my hands. I absolutely love it, and I would love to have a body lotion in this scent because it smells amazing. So absolute favourite. In terms of ingredients in this, you've got jojoba oil, fair trade cocoa butter, neroli oil, orange flower absolute. So it's so citrusy and it's just amazing. I know you can't get this anymore. I do apologise, but it's so good. I'm such a big fan. And my last favourite has been another Lush item. Now, this is something that I bought when I went to Plymouth with Ryan. I did actually forget to put this in my haul video, which was really annoying. I remembered after I filmed it all and I was like, oh, so typical. But I forgot that I actually picked up a Lord of Misrule solid perfume. You guys know that Lord of Misrule is one of my all-time favourite scents ever. Hands down, I absolutely love it. And I wanted to pick up another solid perfume. Oh, it's just absolutely amazing. I cannot recommend this perfume enough. It just smells, it's so good. It's the classic Lord of Misrule scent. It smells like black pepper, vanilla, patchouli, all things I probably wouldn't normally like, but together it just smells incredible. These are quite expensive, I won't lie to you. This tiny pot cost me £10, which is a lot of money. But they're just so handy to have, especially when it's hot and things like that. Like, I just love to kind of put perfume on throughout the day, keep kind of smelling nice, keeping fresh, you know. And this is just so nice to have in my bag and kind of top up throughout the day. So I love that. Great item. They have so many different solid perfumes as well, so I would highly recommend these. Absolutely obsessed. So that is everything for my July favourites. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, it's not overly loads this month. I just have been so busy. It's been far too hot and I haven't really loved overly much. But I thought I would share with you them anyway because I like to do my monthly favourites. So let me know down below what you've been loving, and yeah, I'm gonna go. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do. It would make my day, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.